I'm J.K. Saini, the principal of Delhi Public School. Delhi Public School Bathinda was established in the year 2003 and now we are celebrating 23rd year of our existence. So what's unique about Delhi Public School? See, this school was established in 2003 and the main focus of the school is the holistic development. Academic is core to every school and I'm proud to say that more than 33% of students, they get 90% and around 80% of the students score above 80% of marks. As far as other activities, I think DPS Bathinda is one of the school which has the best of the sport facilities. Additionally, co-curricular activities well designed in the school calendar are programmed in such a way that maximum students are able to participate. Coming to the experiential learning, I think this school must be the only one having around 10 laboratories, 4 science labs, 4 computer lab, mathematics lab, and the unique feature of the school is that we are the tinkering lab leader. Associated with Extramarks since 2010 and every classroom is equipped with technology. We have been associated for the last 15 years. Started with the offline mode and right now we are in the cloud-based integration of e-contents in the classroom and it has taken us to the next level. Probably Extramarks was one of the leading company to begin this journey and they are still going strong.
Myself, Dr. Bobby Tukral. I am PGT Geography. I am working as a class rep for 11th and 12th. I am HOD of Social Science Department. I am a coordinator of CBSE as well as workshops. DPS Bathinda provides platform to the students by holistic approach and provide education and structural environment to develop academically, socially and emotionally. I like Extramarks Smart Class content aligned with NEP 2020 for its visual and interactive elements like 3D animations such as NCERT solutions and practice papers.
My name is Manmohit Kaur. I study in class 11 science and I am vice head girl of the school. I have noticed a big change in myself with this changing technology. Earlier, I used to rely mainly on textbooks, but now, with the help of Extramarks Smart Class Plus, I can visualize topics better, learn faster and stay more engaged in the class.